Well, the opposition has stalled Parliament every single day of the second half of the budget session, demanding the resignation of Law Minister Ashwani Kumar over his alleged impropriety in the Colgate report case. And with Railgate, they've found a new target in PK Bansal. The government for now has decided to throw its weight behind its ministers, choosing to brazen it out. Now, as they stick to their ministers, there appears to be no end in sight to the impasse.
It is inappropriate to prejudge an issue till the investigation culminates.
After a 3-hour-long meeting, the Congress deciding to brazen it out.
Insofar as the Honourable Law Minister is concerned, the matter is sub judice in the court. It is scheduled to come up on the 8th of May, if I am correctly instructed. If at all the Union of India has anything to articulate, it would do so through its law officers before the appropriate court.
The government has decided to back its ministers, rejecting BJP's demand for Ashwani Kumar and Pawan Bansal's resignation. Times Now, the first to get the details, 90 minutes before the official announcement.
I've got just a confirmation coming in. The Congress party may have decided to brazen it out in Parliament. That's why the emergency. So no dropping of ministers, and they may have decided to brazen it out. That is the information that we are getting.
The party putting its weight behind the embattled ministers, deciding to revamp its spokesperson's team overnight. Even as the opposition's attack on the government is refusing to lose steam.
The Supreme Court has taken very seriously and asked the CBI to explain what changes were made, why the meeting was called. All these issues are well known to you. I need not explain that. अब ऐसे में अगर हम कहते हैं कानून मंत्री का इस्तीफा होना चाहिए, हम कहते हैं श्रीमान पवन बंसल जी का इस्तीफा होना चाहिए.
And the belligerence of the Congress party to defend their corrupt ministers is not only shocking but shameful.
The government clearly deciding to sit tight and fight right back, hoping that this too will blow over. Bureau Report, Times Now.